Looking for a simple way to keep your kids entertained at home or in the car, this simple Dollar Tree DIY game is sure to be fun. For this game, all you need is a marker storage container from the Dollar Tree and also some of their pointed sticky notes. Then you're also going to want to collect about 4 quarters. It could be fewer, it could be more, however many you have. And you're going to set up almost a Plinko style board for it to go down. You're going to use these fun sticky notes to create one point at the top and one point in the middle. Then you're going to say, this is where we want the quarters to fall down. Then put the quarters on the top level. Once the marker storage is closed and secure, I like to gently put the quarters forward so that they're lying flat instead of standing straight up. Then your goal is to try to get the quarters to shift back and forth and have them fall down right where that arrow is to one level, over to the other side, and down where that arrow is to the bottom level. You can play and have a race between multiple people if they each have their own unit, or just time it and see what works. Typically, in order to win, you just need to get one of your 4 quarters down correctly along the path. But if you want to make it an extra fun challenge, you can try to say that you have to get all 4 down that pattern, and any that skip down a row without going in the designated space, you have to try and get them to shift back up and then start all over again without having any of them from the bottom row that you've already gotten in jump out, or else you have to redo those as well. For more fun Dollar Tree DIY games, check out the link in our description, and also check out FamilyFed.com or our social media, which I will put a link to in the description down below, where we love to make it easy for you to spend quality family time with fun activities and games, and even some crafts that you can do with your family. Be sure to check them out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye!